All right, y'all, today we're in Red Oak, Texas in a brand new subdivision called Pecan Acres, and we're taking a look at this builder. It's called Risewell Homes, and it's a beautiful home behind me here, as you can see. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's got an office and a game room. It's got a 3-car garage. It's all on 1 acre, and it's 2,985 square foot home here, all on a single level. And it's currently priced just below $665,000. So it's a beautiful home, beautiful brand new neighborhood out here, and it's close to everything. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of it right now. All right, y'all, here we are on the inside of this beautiful Risewell home. You can see this nice, big, open entryway right here. Got a nice, tall entryway door. We've got windows above that door and then a transom window above that. Got this really nice tray ceiling here on the inside of the walkway. We've got LVP flooring here, the main areas. We've got an office right here, right up front. Also got the tray ceiling in the office. Got the fan going, and we need it right now. It is hot in the middle of July here in Texas. Got double windows looking out to the front yard, right off the front patio there. Got some carpeting in here. We've got double doors to close off the office right here. We actually got some decent rain today, which is nice. We're above normal right now for this year in our rain totals. A lot of times when we're in the middle of summer here in Texas, we get into a drought, but thankfully we're not right now. Here we are in the middle here of the living room as we walk in, and we've got 3 big picture windows looking out to the back porch and backyard, and then 3 transom windows above there. I love the transom windows because you let in all that natural light right there up top, and you can keep them uncovered because nobody's looking in there. But here, you know, you can have window coverings for those. But I love those. And then we've got an electric fireplace right here, and then the mantle. Nice tall ceilings in here as well. Look at this kitchen, all of this cabinetry, tons of storage space. Cabinetry all the way to the ceiling there in the kitchen. Nice big island as well. Got these beautiful pendant lights hanging down as well. This is probably at least a 12-foot island right here. Then in the dining room space, you've got additional cabinetry over there as well, and another countertop space. So this would be perfect for entertaining. Already all have all your handles and knobs on there, ready to go. You've got double stacked ovens, and then your microwave stacked above that. These are all GE appliances. This beautiful gray granite. And the backsplash also pairing with it. We've got a 5-burner electric cooktop here, and then it's vented to the outside. And also a GE dishwasher here on the island. And a nice deep sink here as well. We've got a space right here for the refrigerator as well. And coming around the corner here, we've got access to a really big walk-in pantry. So almost 3,000 square foot in this home, and you can definitely fill this up with that many people living in the home. We've got a coat closet right here, right off of the garage. Now honestly, I'd say this is a really practical place for it. I mean, how many of us actually use our front door to go in and out of? So I like that the coat closet's there. You know, right here you could have like a little mud bench area set up as well. And it's right off the 3-car garage right here. So good size 3-car garage. Got 2 windows looking out to the front yard. And then got 2 big water tanks, hot water heaters. And then your breaker panel there as well. And then you've got attic access here in the garage. And over on the far wall, we've got sprinklers here for the sodded portion of the yard, which thankfully, like I said, we've been getting rain. So the sod is really nice and grown in and green. So this is a split floor plan design. So we've got the office right up front right here. We've got the 3 secondary bedrooms on that front corner of the home. Got the game room back here, and then the master is back this way. We'll go ahead and go check out these secondary rooms right now. So right off here, we've got a nice bedroom. Got 2 big windows looking out to the front yard. Nice tall ceilings in here as well. And then a nice big closet in here. Already got shelving in there and hanging space as well. And it's really deep in here too. So a really good sized closet on this bedroom here right off the front of the home. Another one right here off the front. This one's a little bit smaller and not as high of ceilings here either. You've got 2 windows though, still looking out to the front yard. And a closet in here. So once again, this is Pecan Acres, the community that we're in, Risewell Homes. And so this does go to Red Oak ISD schools, as it's in Red Oak. And we've got a linen closet for all 3 of these bedrooms here, and a bathroom here. We've got a full bathroom. Got a double vanity right there. I think that's a really good touch, you know, for these 3 bedrooms all right here to have a double vanity. Then you've got your toilet and then tub shower combo right there. It's a nice deep tub there too. And then the 3rd bedroom here. It's once again not as tall a ceilings as the first one that we looked at. We've got 1 window going to the side of the home here. And then a nice closet right here as well. All of these closets are really good here. Lots of space. All right, we're heading back into the living room, and we're gonna go back around here to look at the game room. And here we are, the game room in the back of the home. 3 windows looking out to the backyard. Got a fan in here. That AC is working well. Feels good in here. And then we've got double doors to close it all off too. So game room, media room, whatever you want to make it. You could make it a flexible 5th bedroom too if you'd like, because you've got a way to get in and out inside, and then if there's an emergency, you've got windows to the backyard. So you could make this a bedroom. And then we've got the 3rd full bathroom right here in the back. I would say this is probably where a company's gonna come. It's the easiest one to access. And then you've got a single vanity there, same tub shower combo, and then a toilet right there as well. Then take a little bit of a closer look here on this dining space. We've got 2 windows looking out to the back porch and backyard. All this extra cabinet space, and then we've got more countertop space with plugs there. So I'm thinking, you know what, Thanksgiving, you got a whole spread here, and then all along here, you're just set and ready to go. And then you've got a door to the back porch there. The door has the blinds in the screen here. All right. So laundry room is right here. Spot for your full-size washer and dryer right there. And then got even more space in here if you wanted to put anything else. You've got wiring and cables back there. And then back here to the master. The master, we've got 3 big windows looking out to the backyard. We've got this tray ceiling in here. Nice bench seat there as well. Really good sized master here. And then we've got double doors leading to the ensuite master bath. Got a really nice big tub right there. Definitely an oversized tub. And then a nice walk-in shower there as well. Got split vanities right here. Lots of good storage. And then here in the shower, we've got a mud pan bottom with the tiling. Got a bench seat. Got these glass doors and glass right there. And then the tiling all the way up to the top. Looks really well done. As you can see, this is a really big tub. And then here we've got toilet room. Additional shelving and storage. Use that as a linen closet. And then a really big master closet here. Shelving all set up, ready to go. And then hanging space all the way up there on the 3rd level. Let's go ahead and take a look at this back porch here. Nice big back porch, tall ceilings out here. We got that extension there as well. All right, y'all, once again, we're out here in Red Oak, Texas in this brand new subdivision called Pecan Acres subdivision here. And looking at this beautiful Risewell home here, and it's really done nicely, as you can see. But it's got, once again, we'll just cover the stats on the home. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's got an office up front, and then a game room in the back here. And then it's got a split floor plan design. So those 4 bedrooms 3 of them are up here on the front corner, and then the master's back here in the back. So it's designed really well for privacy, and it's 2,985 square foot. It's got a 3-car garage. It's all on 1 acre, and it's just under $665,000. So this home, once again, it's in Red Oak, and it goes to Red Oak ISD. With it being on 1 acre, it does have a septic system as well. So it's like a mini sewer plant in your yard, and it treats the water it can treat, and then the solids are taken away later on. You've got a contract with a company that'll come out and do that for you. So beautiful home here, move-in ready. So if you're looking to relocate in 2026 or beyond, this could be a great option for you and your family. To get up to Dallas, it's an easy 20-minute commute in the morning, and then to Fort Worth, probably about 45 minutes. Not too bad at all to get out there in an early morning commute. So if you got any questions about this home or any of the other homes that I cover on here, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help answer those questions for you. So many of you have reached out, and it's been so great getting to meet you. But I am a local real estate agent here in the DFW area. I help people buy, sell, relocate in the area. And so I don't necessarily work for these builders, but I can work for you. So definitely would love to get in touch with you if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching each and every week. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you next week. Y'all take care.